In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy any Discord server in seconds using Xenon 2024. Starting with something as simple as Discord might seem straightforward for many, but incorporating a tool like Xenon can unleash a plethora of possibilities that could transform your Discord experience. Whether you're looking to create a backup of your server, or perhaps you wish to duplicate a server setup you particularly admire, Xenon is an incredibly powerful ally in achieving that, and I'm here to guide you through every step of the way. First things first, let's make our way to Discord. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Discord login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your email. This is of course assuming you already have a Discord account. If you don't, you'll need to sign up for one, but that's a process I'll trust you can manage on your own. After entering your email, the next step is to type in your password. Remember, keep your password secure and never share it with others. Your password is the key to not just your Discord, but potentially other accounts, given how common it is for people to reuse passwords across different sites and services. Once you've entered your password, it's time to hit that login button. Clicking on it will grant you access to your Discord home, where all your conversations, interactions, and servers reside. From here, navigate your way to the Discord home if you're not automatically directed there. Now, for the exciting part, let's focus on adding Xenon to your server. Click on the server where you wish to add Xenon. You might have multiple servers, so make sure you select the correct one. After selecting the server, search for the app directory in Discord. This is essentially where you can browse or search for various apps and bots to enhance your Discord server. In the app directory search bar, type Xenon. This is crucial because it will filter out the results to specifically show you the Xenon bot amongst a plethora of other bots and applications available on Discord. Once you see Xenon in the search results, click on it. This action will take you to Xenon's dedicated page, where you can learn more about what it does and the features it offers. Next up, click on the Add App button. This will initiate the process of adding Xenon to your server. You'll be prompted with a screen asking you to continue. Click on Continue to proceed. At this stage, Discord requires you to authorize Xenon to access your server. This is a standard security procedure for any third-party app or bot you add to your server. Click on Authorize to grant Xenon the necessary permissions. You're almost there. Discord will ask you to verify a captcha to ensure you're not a bot. Ironic, I know. Completing this step is crucial as it reinforces the security measures Discord has in place to protect both your server and the platform at large. The final step is to select the server to which you want Xenon added. After choosing the server, Xenon will be successfully integrated into your server. Now take a moment to familiarize yourself with Xenon, explore its features and settings to customize it according to your needs. Remember, whether you're backing up an entire server or cloning a server setup for a project, Xenon provides a robust set of tools designed to make server management on Discord not just easier but more efficient, and that, my friends, is how you can copy any Discord server in seconds using Xenon 2024. This tool not only simplifies the process of duplicating servers, but also provides a safety net through backups, ensuring that your Discord communities can thrive without fear of data loss. Take the time to explore Xenon's features beyond just server copying. You might find ways to enhance your server's functionality and community engagement. Thanks for watching, and happy Discord managing.